what is inside this box. There are multiple ways that I could wear this bag. Can you guess? It's mini size and the color is of limited edition. Can you guess what is inside this bag? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Esther. I upload video about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of a Chanel bag which I purchased from the Hong Kong airport. I purchased this on my way. When I flew from Hong Kong airport to LA, I stopped by at the Chanel boutique at the Hong Kong airport. Are you guys ready to unbox this? Let's do it together! So there's a receipt here, so maybe I can tell you guys the price of this bag. Okay, it is of 27,400 Hong Kong dollars. The reason why I chose to also purchase this from the Hong Kong International Airport is also because I actually did the calculation when I was there, and it was actually way cheaper if I were to buy it from the Hong Kong airport compared to buying it in the LA itself. So actually I could actually save around 300 to 400 USD if I purchase this from the Hong Kong airport. So are you guys ready? Now one more thing is also the price point is very worth it. That's also because the Hong Kong airport was actually doing a promotion where if you purchase anything more than 20,000 Hong Kong dollars, you will be given a voucher code or a points of 1,200 Hong Kong dollars. So I was given 1,200 Hong Kong dollars for me to purchase anything on that day itself. Anything that I see from the Hong Kong airport, I was able to use these points and use up to 1,200 Hong Kong dollars. So I actually use it to purchase a moisturizer from SK2 and also a box of chocolate. So actually because of that promotion, I find it very worth it. And of course the promotion doesn't last all year long. It's just that so happened when I purchased this, when I was there, this promotion was still available. So I was so lucky. So let's continue the unboxing. Are you guys ready? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ta-da! It's a mini cocoa handle in metallic gold color in caviar leather. Love, 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 love. It's actually of the Egyptian series. I think they call it Egyptian. If those who are Chanel lovers, you know that recently Chanel has this Egyptian series with a lot of gold color bags, and this is one of it. It's the first time I'm seeing cocoa handle in metallic color. It actually comes in 3 metallic colors. The silver, actually 4. The silver, the dark grey, the gold and the bronze, or they call it rose gold. So when I walked into the store, I was actually asking the sales assistant, do you have any mini cocoa handle? So she was telling me that we only have one last one which is gold in color. So she showed this, she showed it to me, and the moment when I saw this bag, because the first time it's the first time that I hold this mini cocoa handle bag. I do not know how to express. I really love the size of this mini cocoa handle bag. I really love the size. I think probably because of my size and my frame. I'm petite myself. I'm only 5 feet 2, 158 centimeter tall. So this size fits perfectly on my frame. I actually also tried, because the SA and my hubby they were both telling me that maybe perhaps you could try a bigger size, then you can fit more things in the bag, and also you just need to pay a little bit higher and you can get a bigger size. So I actually tried a bigger size in pink color, but somehow I just don't like that bigger size, because probably because of my frame, it doesn't go so well for that bigger size. And I normally just love mini size bag. Mini size is just so me. I love the size, it looks so chic, and the moment when I hold it, it's like my heart is like beating faster and faster. I really love this mini size cocoa handle. And you can see it is of a caviar leather. And this metallic gold color is very special because you can see that the color changes under different lighting somehow, because it is of metallic version. There are 4 feet at the back, so cute. And the stitching is of a gold thread. You can see gold thread. And the base of this caviar leather actually is black in color, but you can see the metallic gold is like covering up all the black color. And you can tell that the color of this metallic gold, it is not very glaring like super duper gold in color. It's just nice, the gold color. That's the reason why I fall for this bag. I love this bag and I chose this bag. And it also has, you can see the handle. Can you see the close-up look? The handle is like so luxurious, so nicely done. I'm so thankful that this last piece that they have is of no defect. Love it. You can see the stitching, and it comes with a brushed gold, edge brushed gold combination. I love it that way so that it doesn't look too glaring on the overall gold handbag. There's an interlock CC, and it comes with a small logo over here. If you can see, small logo, interlock CC, just like the regular mini flap. Let me open it up. The interior inside is of a burgundy color, but it is not leather, it is fabric. There are 2 compartments inside, and there's a zip compartment inside here. There's a zip compartment here and 2 very roomy compartments. By right, it can actually fit more stuff than the mini flap. I can also show you a side-by-side comparison. The size of these 2 bags. This is of a mini flap in lambskin leather, which I have, and also this is the mini cocoa handle in caviar leather. So perhaps maybe in future I can show you a comparison on what fits inside this bag and this mini cocoa handle. So for now, I just want to do a quick unboxing on this Chanel mini cocoa handle bag. Right, then at the back here, there is a compartment here for me to put any access card for easy and quick access. So this chain, I can remove this chain. There's an option for me to remove. So if I go for dinner or what, I can actually remove this chain and just use it as a handle bag. Okay, and this bag, because of a mini size, is not heavy. It's definitely not heavy. So I love this mini size bag. So actually, when I walked into the store, when the girl told me that there were actually 2 of these gold mini cocoa handle left in the boutique, so I actually didn't purchase right away. I was telling her that maybe perhaps you could give me an hour or so. I would like to, think about it if I really love this color. And I actually walked out because I was thinking that since they have 2 in stock, so I don't think it will be sold out in just an hour, that 2. At least there will still be another one left for me. So I walk out and I think about it, because my philosophy normally before I purchase a bag, I will first think of how would I be pairing this bag. Will I be wearing it very often, or it is a bag where I will only use it occasionally. So I was thinking through, and apparently I thought about it. Gold color, I can never go wrong with gold color, some more with this metallic gold, and it is not very glaring. This can actually match with red color, with all neutral colors, with black, with white, with beige, with neutral colors, or they will look perfectly well with green, with gray. So I thought, why am I still thinking if I should purchase this bag? So that's the reason why I decided that I should just go and purchase this bag. And I was really very lucky, because when I walked in, there's only one left, and this is the last one. So I'm very thankful that I checked through this bag and there's no defect, it's all nicely done. So I said, yes, I would like to go for this bag. Mini cocoa handle in caviar leather. Love it, love it, love it. Love the different ways of wearing this bag. I can hold it that way. Handle, and also shoulder strap. Even though I'm petite, it hits right above my hip, and I can also obviously wear it like this when I just hold it at the handle when I go for dinner and so. And I like it where there's an option where I can also wear it cross body, right? I don't mind having the handle here, sticking up here, because I feel this bag is like, it's so chic, this bag. No matter where I place this bag, every angle looks just so trendy and so chic. Love it, love it, love it. Can you see? So whenever you go travel, whenever you go to a place where it's too crowded, you can have an option to wear it crossbody. I see myself would be more often holding it, using it as a crossbody or handle rather than shoulder. I'm not sure. I will review and tell you guys later, probably few months down the road, and see whether which way is my favorite or my preference, because I normally like mini crossbody bag, and I love it where I can use this as a crossbody bag too, because it makes it more casual, and when I want to dress it up, I could use the handle rather than the crossbody way. A last close-up look. Under different lighting, you will see it appears as different color, which I love. Love, 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 love. I will see if I can insert some model shots to show you how I can pair this bag with my outfit, make it casual, make it formal. How does it look on me when I change my outfit if possible. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my quick unboxing sharing today on this cute little beauty here. Chanel mini cocoa handle in metallic gold caviar leather. If you have yet to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Bye guys!